Today we're talking about saving money on taxes. This seems like kind of weird and out of the right time, like not the right season. But I am telling you right now is more important than ever, and why this is the perfect time to be thinking about this. So make sure you stay here for this video. This is gonna matter to you. Now, why this is the most important time? A lot of people don't stay up on their numbers, don't stay up on their accounting, don't keep everything put together and ready. And what that leads you into is having poor financials and a poor way to really view what's going on. So October for us is always our tax planning time. That's when we're looking at where we're at for the year, where do we anticipate going for the rest of the year, how much have we spent, where have our what have we invested in, what have we done, what's our profit, what does all of this look like right now? And this is the perfect situation for if you're a growing company and you're wanting to continue to move forward and grow more. This is the perfect situation that if you have a ton of profit where, hey, this is lining you up to have a big tax liability. But also it has an opportunity for you to do the right thing, the potential right things with it to excel, move your company forward, and save some of that. So that leads into this time is where we look and we have to look at what do we need, because we can invest in our company and we can drive that tax liability down. So do you need trucks? Do you need equipment? Are you currently needing to do training on something? You need to maybe you need to take your team to a business conference because you're wanting to work on getting everybody on the same page and wanting to get everybody hammered and get everybody focused on building and being involved in the mission and all of those things. So these are all things that can be used as tax deductions. Trucks, larger equipment, depending on what it is, can be depreciated all at once. There are ways to do that. Like even though you haven't paid for the entire truck, you can depreciate it all at once on this given year, therefore driving down that tax liability. So this is the creative stuff, and it's not even really that creative. It's just you are able to do purchasing in this year to continue to help you grow next year, and it's driving down how much you're going to pay on taxes. So versus paying it all out on taxes, now some of this can go to the improvement of your company, and it will save you tax dollars. And finally, the last piece of this that I can't stress enough, because you have profit. Profit isn't bad, and you are going to pay some taxes. Like, the more you pay, like you're always going to be looking for ways to reduce that. But as you pay more and more and more, it's proof that you actually have a profitable company. But what you never want this to lead you into, since I've said buy to offset, you don't want this to lead you into buying stuff you don't need. I see people just go and buy this or buy that, and you don't have to reduce it to nothing. You don't have to. Can you? Can you reduce it a lot? Can you get it close? Maybe, but you shouldn't be doing that with things that you don't even need. This whole conversation is for a business that is growing and is expanding and it is wanting to continue doing more, and that's where we're always at. We've had it at the end of the year where we've bought an excavator because we knew that was really going to help. Last year, our accountant said if you can spend 30 grand before the end of the year, that would really benefit. Like you're going to be able to show some profit, but you're going to drive down some of that liability. And then we needed all those investments because we were putting money into the business to get ready for the next year. So if you have to invest the money, why would you not invest the money to try to save on taxes this given season? So this is an important thing. Have your finances together enough where you can look at them and truly know, what have we made? What have we spent? What is the total profit? And then with that, be able to sit down with your accountant, get some guidance, look at what do we need and what should we purchase right now to then help reduce that tax liability, all while keeping the mindset of, if I don't need it, I don't have to pay this all. I don't have to buy it. I don't have to buy stuff I don't need for the business just for the sake of trying to get that tax burden down. I'm going to pay some taxes if I'm making money. So I hope this video has helped you. I hope this has made you think about what you can and can't do, which I didn't really talk about anything you can't do, but more what you can do that will help you with your taxes. This all boils down to, like, you have to do some planning, and October is the month to do your tax planning.